You open the app to practice. Then you close it. Not because you can't, because 15 minutes feels invisible. You tell yourself it won't matter today. You'll do it properly when you have more time, when you feel ready. So you scroll instead. You watch someone else be good at the thing you keep postponing. You promise yourself tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow shows up and looks exactly like yesterday. You touch the skill just enough to remind yourself you're not there yet. You stop right when it starts to feel uncomfortable, right when it asks something from you. Days turn into weeks, weeks into quiet disappointment, not loud enough to hurt, just loud enough to follow you around. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just living inside comfort. Comfort that says 15 minutes is too small to matter. Distraction that says now isn't the right moment. Routine that keeps you busy but unchanged. Tomorrow that never arrives. And this is where everything changes. Because the problem was never motivation. It was who you're being when no one is watching. 15 minutes isn't practice. It's a statement. It says you respect yourself enough to show up without excitement. It says you don't need inspiration to move. It says you choose control over mood. Discipline isn't restriction. It's freedom from waiting. Freedom from hoping one day you'll feel ready. Freedom from carrying regret quietly. Freedom from being almost good at something forever. 15 minutes doesn't transform your skill all at once. It transforms who you are willing to be today. So the real question isn't whether 15 minutes is enough. It's this: who do you become if you don't skip it again tomorrow?